Sunday, everybody, and thank you for joining me for yet another soaping adventure. Per my usual, this is the part where I add my additives. And in this soap, I am adding buttermilk powder. I'm adding some oatmeal, as well as some kaolin clay. And in a moment, I will also be adding some goat milk. As always, if you are interested in this recipe, the full recipe is in the description box. My light solution today is all aloe vera juice along with some sugar as well as some sodium lactate. And this is going to be yet another Christmas soap. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm not going to do a lot of talking, so sit back and enjoy the video. So here we are, guys, the final soap. Don't you think it's just so absolutely adorable? And of course, I did not end here. As I stated, this is a Christmas soap. So I am going to do a little soap dough on the outside of it. Just keep on watching. Now, I have already made a part of my design with some soap dough that I didn't record. I just used a little plunger, a decorative plunger to make a little bow. And I'll put that in the description box. I got that from Amazon. But for right now, I am making like the little ribbon that goes around it. And as you'll see, I partially put it around the soap here, but I did end up wrapping it all the way around the soap. And you'll see pictures of that at the end. But I'm just placing my ribbon. I'm going to wrap that around the soap, place the bow on. It turned out super duper cute. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so you'll know every time I put out a video. I hope you guys have a beautiful Sunday. Have a blessed week. And I will chat with you guys later. Bye.